Did you know that the 23-year-old cyborg, Erling Haaland, is rewriting the record books in football? Brace yourself as we unveil his incredible feats. He's the fastest player to reach 50 Bundesliga goals. Speeding through, he's also the fastest to reach 50 Premier League goals. In the Champions League, he's not just breaking but shattering records. Fastest to 20 goals. Fastest to 30 goals. Fastest to 40 goals. Hold on, he even snatched Kylian Mbappe's crown as the youngest to hit 40 UCL goals at just 23 years and 130 days. Erling Haaland, the record-breaking marvel, continues to leave us in awe.